Hey, good day everyone. I'm super stoked to be bringing you these pipe wrenches from Vevor. They're aluminum. Take a look at these. Some beautiful pipe wrenches here. We've got a 10 inch, a 14 inch, and an 18 inch here. They're nice and lightweight. Despite the size, they're really nice and light due to that aluminum. That is great. Let's take a look at these teeth here. Oh man, talk about smooth. Look at how smooth these things are. Here's a look at those teeth. There's some nice, aggressive looking teeth on there. How about you guys? But pipe wrenches are typically hard to adjust right here. I love these. The smoothness in which this one operates here. Just to give you an idea of how large of a pipe this thing can accept, I'm just gonna go ahead and open these jaws up all the way. I love how smooth these things open and close. You can do it with the thumb and one finger. The spindle here makes for some fine adjustment. It's not getting bound up or hung up at all. Nice and smooth all the way through. You get a big pipe in there. Let's test this out on this pipe here. So kind of the idea when you're using these, go with the smaller one here. Tighten it up. Now you get a good grip on there. Got this in the vise right now. That's how that thing goes. You can see I'm pushing down on it with all my force. So it has some really good bite on it. You can see I could step on this and it won't move. On that same note, you just barely pull it up this way and it'll come right off. Grab it there, not moving a bit. I'll be able to, if this was connected to something, I could just take and rotate it, no problem, or even get two of them, put the other one on the other piece, kind of use them like that. But look at that, and then it just comes off just like that. Just pull it right off. Super nice. If you're in the market for some pipe wrenches, grab this set from Vevor. You won't regret it.